Welcome to Terra Cosmos, Sloths. These cute and cuddly creatures are known for their slow movements and sleepy demeanor. But there's much more to these fascinating animals than meets the eye. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the secret life of sloths and explore their unique adaptations, behaviors, and habitats. First, let's talk about their physical characteristics. Sloths are arboreal mammals that spend most of their lives hanging upside down from trees. They have long claws that they use to grip onto branches, and their fur grows in the opposite direction of most mammals, which helps to keep them clean and dry in the rainforest. But perhaps one of the most unique features of sloths is their specialized stomachs. Sloths have a multi-chambered stomach that allows them to break down tough leaves and twigs, which is their primary food source. In fact, sloths are so efficient at digesting their food that they only need to go to the bathroom once a week. Their stomach is also home to a diverse community of bacteria, which help to break down the tough plant material and extract as many nutrients as possible. But what about their behavior? Sloths are known for sleeping up to 15 hours a day, which is perhaps one of the reasons why they move so slowly. But even when they're awake, they're not exactly speed demons. Sloths move so slowly that algae can actually grow on their fur. Sloths are also solitary animals, except during the breeding season, when males and females will come together to mate. And what about their habitats? Sloths are native to the rainforests of Central and South America, where they spend their entire lives in the treetops. But despite their slow movements and solitary nature, sloths play an important role in their ecosystem. They help to disperse seeds by eating fruit and then defecating in different parts of the forest. So, what can we learn from these fascinating creatures? Sloths remind us that slow and steady wins the race, and that even the smallest and slowest animals can play a big role in their environment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.